President Emmerson Mnangagwa has dramatically weakened Vice President Constantino Chiwenga's influence in ZANU-PF by firing the party's Secretary General, Obet Mpofu, one of Chiwenga's key allies, and replacing him with his own loyalist, Jogo Mudenda, the Speaker of the Parliament. Salabina Mashokonyaso Mudapangwa Election Conse Emmerson Mnangagwa is paralyzed. The Vice President Constantino Chiwenga will subscribe or like out on the bell icon. Tibina Mnangagwa Mchinzi, Mpofu has been demoted to the marginal position of Secretary for ICT, a move widely interpreted as a calculated strike by Mnangagwa to paralyze Chiwenga's power base in the ruling party's escalating succession wars. The shake-up comes amid fierce factional rivalries inside ZANU-PF, reminiscent of the turbulence that preceded the ouster of Robert Mugabe in November 2017. At the center of the conflict is the unresolved question of who will succeed Mnangagwa, now in his 80s. Chiwenga, the former commander of the Zimbabwe Defense Forces, who orchestrated the 2017 coup that propelled Mnangagwa to power, is seen as his natural rival. Tensions between the two camps have intensified in the recent weeks. Chiwenga reportedly handed party leaders a damning dossier accusing Mnangagwa's allies of looting billions of dollars, with particular attention on businessman Mnangagwa Chitagure, regarded as Mnangagwa's preferred successor. The allegations rattled the party elite, further deepening mistrust. Faced with these threats, Mnangagwa abruptly cancelled his trip to the United Nations General Assembly in New York after security briefings warned that his allies risked arrest in his absence. The Central Intelligence Organization reportedly questioned him that leaving the country could expose his camp to crippling attacks from within. By moving against Mpofu, Mnangagwa signaled his determination to neutralize Chiwenga's camp. Analysts say this reshuffle mirrors the high-stakes maneuvering of 2017 when Mugabe was deposed after failing to manage internal succession disputes. Unlike then, however, Mnangagwa and Chiwenga are now bitter opponents rather than allies. ZANU-PF spokesperson Christopher Mchangwa confirmed a broader political reshuffle that further entrenches Mnangagwa's dominance. Jogo Mudenda, formerly Treasurer General, is now Secretary General, replacing Mpofu at the party's administrative core. PANECHAMISA, a trusted Mnangagwa ally, shifts from Secretary for Legal Affairs to Treasury General, giving him control of party finances. Ziambi, previously Secretary for ICT, becomes Secretary for Legal Affairs, positioning him to handle critical legal battles. The restructuring isolates Chiwenga's allies while placing Mnangagwa's loyalists in strategic roles. However, it also highlights ZANU-PF's fragile unity. Mpofu, long seen as a heavyweight from a tableland, may not take kindly to his demotion, and the move risks widening cracks in the party. More significantly, the peg underscores how dangerously the succession struggle has escalated by paralyzing Chiwenga's camp. Mnangagwa may have won a round, but at the cost of further destabilizing both the ZANU-PF and the country's political future. Ndoma shukwarubuda panguva ino tinonga kunzi zvoitika mubato the ruling party ZANU-PF zvoshamisa vanhu. Panguva ino tinyazokuona kuti mapower plays ava kuitika, matransitions aiwa nekuya panguva nekusarirana kunoitwa VP Constantino Chiwenga kwakushamisa. People, they are just watching the space. Tudze mafunguro enyu moti kudii pamusoro pechitiko ichi. Tinangome section medu dzamafunguro enyu, musakana subscribe or like, pamwe chete nokutena on the bell icon.